Hello and welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. Well, this is the reason I won't be able to do any wood turning videos for a while, quite a while, because a week ago yesterday my garage burnt down. I don't know how it started, but by the time I saw it, it was too far gone to stop. And this is the result. Yeah, all my machinery, wood, everything has been reduced to ashes. So we're just waiting to find out some information, and then hopefully we'll get back. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one, hopefully.